Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make German cheesecake. We'll start with the foundation, a simple short crust pastry. This traditional base is easy to prepare, combining just a few essential ingredients. You'll press this dough into a 24-centimeter springform pan, forming both the bottom and sometimes a small edge. This creates the perfect sturdy vessel for our creamy filling, ensuring a delightful contrast in textures. It's the first crucial step to a truly authentic German dessert. Next, we dive into the heart of our cheesecake, the rich quark filling. The star is 1 kilogram of creamy quark, giving it that unique tang and texture. We'll blend this with several eggs, granulated sugar, and a hint of fresh lemon zest for brightness. To ensure a perfect set, we'll add a few tablespoons of cornstarch or vanilla pudding powder, along with melted butter and a splash of milk. This combination creates an incredibly smooth and flavorful filling. Now it's time to bake our masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. The cheesecake will bake for approximately 60 to 75 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the edges are set, but the center still has a slight wobble. This indicates a perfectly creamy interior. Crucially, let it cool completely inside the oven with the door slightly ajar. This prevents cracking and ensures a smooth, even texture. Finally, for the ultimate enjoyment, your German cheesecake needs to chill. Refrigerate it for at least several hours, or ideally, overnight. This allows the flavors to meld and the texture to firm up beautifully, making for clean, elegant slices. Before serving, you might dust it with powdered sugar or adorn it with fresh berries. This classic dessert is a wonderful treat, perfect for sharing with friends and family on any special occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.